It's time to learn and practice some new English vocabulary. Here are some natural ways to show someone that you agree with them. Exactly. Indeed. Absolutely. That's so true. That's for sure. I agree 100%. I couldn't agree more. When we learn English vocabulary, we must always practice it in context. Here are some examples. We need more money. Exactly. I think I should practice my English more. Absolutely. Now it's time for you to practice your new English vocabulary by making some examples of your own. Write them in the comments below. Have a great day. Bye.